Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show you a MasterCraft video. I have Minecraft, but I'm going to show you those gamers out there that have MasterCraft or Eereskraft. And I'm going to show you the temple and how to get the chest without it blowing up and you die. I'm going to go in survival mode. I'm going to make it peaceful if I can. I can't make it peaceful right now, but... So, I'll tell you. Once I get there, here's a seed for a temple. Do 111. Create where a little peaceful because I don't want... So, difficulty 0. So you just run into that. Like, you can get nothing in here right now. You just walk down. You should always get rid of the pressure plate. And you should never do this. You should never do this. You should never do this because it explodes while you don't see it. Then you die. You have to respawn. Steve blew up. So I'm gonna make a new one. I'm gonna go somewhere else. Don't worry about the sound. I'm gonna make a new one. I'm gonna need this one because it'll just be stuff. I'm gonna name it Temple. Excuse me. How do you spell tutorial? Forgot how to speak. I'm sorry. I can't. I'll just say everything, okay? Well, this is the middle of it. I use the Google voice typing. Tutorial. I guess not working. Tutorial. Dang it. Temple. I'll just do tour. I'll go creative. I'm not creative. Survival. And then I'll create. Oh no, I'm gonna go. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. So a bit peaceful one. Because I don't want. Okay, difficulty is already on peaceful. I'm going to show you a way. You're going to have fall damage if you try to go. Where is the... Oops, I made the wrong world. Hold on. Yep, I made the wrong world. Die. Kill me. Kill me. I'm going to die. I don't need this world. Look, your bubbles go down. This is not... main menu. Forgive me to the main menu. This is funny. Beep. Ouch. 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 I'm gonna get to half a heart. No, wow, I died. So, main menu. Main menu. Click. I'm gonna do temple tour. Go to advanced. 111. Very obvious. Survival. Make fall damage. Knows that when you do it. So you're on sand. Here's the temple. You should never dig straight down too. Pretty much everybody knows that, but I'm just telling you in the game to never dig straight down. It's very bad. Number 1 rule. Ouch. Ouch. So just go at a spot like here. Like right here, and it should break. Or right here. Not at the middle. And don't touch that. It's dark in here. You can see. Get rid of that. And then you have it. Ironing it. Ironing it. And you can now make iron around with iron tools. Iron. Not gold. I don't want iron, more iron. More iron, baby. Iron's pretty good. I have everything now. Have bones even. I'm gonna switch to creative mode quickly to get back up and then switch to survival mode. I'll be right back. Something happened. I'm still in creative mode, but I accidentally clicked stone, so now I got like infinite iron. A lot. Try not to. And I can create it. And oh yeah, I don't have sticks. I need sticks. I need to cut a tree down. Dead bush. Dead bush. I got sticks. What? There's no. Dang it. Still water. I have the stuff. Stone. Oh. Okay, I guess I can't do that. Okay, I'll stop. This was not a good tutorial. It's a good tutorial. You break it faster. It's with iron. Iron. It's weird. Oh yeah, I have no internet connection. Turn it. Hey Google. Oh, so bad guys. That should be what I used it.